to have our lunch here in Art Valley. Heavy snowfall pa rin, as you can see. Man, careful lang, baka ma-slide ka. The road is so slippery. May cafe bar. Marang maganda naman yung kanya-kanya kami ng kuha ng video. And this is the bar, restaurant, cafe bar restaurant where we're going to have our lunch. Walang tigil yung snow. Look at that, did you see that? Did you see that coming? So,
finally, may rice.
Masaya si Hesa kasi may rice. Una niya nakita sa menu is rice. So, ang saya-saya niya. And again, we ordered again the same food, baboy, and chicken soup, and yung mais na with cheese. So light lang kinain namin kasi baka matay ma-jebs na walong tour. So do with that.
Matay ka siya.
Sarap.
Hindi na naman tayo sa baboy.
Okay. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Lasa-lasa mo yung patatas, guys. Na-absorb yung patatas sa sabaw. Chicken with patatas and carrots. Masarap. Ay, may parang bihon siya, guys.
Bihon?
Ay, hindi pala. Parang ano siya, may maliit na pasta.
Tinola siya, parang tinola?
Meron siya pasta na maliit lang siya. Like parang rice pasta na maliit. It's a yes. Kaya dong, ako natadong.
This is the place where we had lunch.
Let's
go Canyon Restaurant. I saw it there. Yes. Look at the place. So yun, pinamadali kami papunta kasi baka ma-close ng canyon. Divide.
Now we are race. Oh, we have boats. She said that they open boat again.
Okay, better.
How much with the boat?
Huh?
How much with the boat?
40 per person.
40.
20 for entrance, 20 for boat.
Okay. Go for the boat.
Without boat, this place is nothing.
Yes.
Just take a boat. It's very village.
Napay kwarta? 40 ang sukli
I
kanina.
will come back. I will
Okay.
Napay 80?
No.
Okay. So it costs 40 per person kung mag-boat. Going to the Markville Canyon now. Ah, it's so cold.
Gusto ko pagdating. Kasi nga burihan?
Hindi na nablihan. Automatic na. Kuntang lang sa yung mukha. Thank you.
Mangiato più esate nascando un po' marpita beso mi shave dava come molti ad un moino a mí no fa mi che qua mangia
Okay. So where do we go? Go from here. Ayan na, pumunta na kami mag-boat riding. It's sa White Belly Canyon. Heavy snow. It's a little bit slippery. Medyo madulas, Meng. Look at that. Lahat puti eh. Woo! Oh, that's it.
Life jackets.
Okay. So, mag-life jacket na muna kami. So that stops the video.
Guys, yun na nga guys. Ang lakas ng snowfall. Pero of course, buti na lang operate pa rin yung boating sa canyon. So, diba? So excited para nasa Finland kami. Ang lamig bakit eh. Diba, Col? Stop recording.
Madam, baby. Давай, 김에 우리 같이. 알아. 리찹. 좋아. 그래서 어디 알았어? 우리 리찹 김에. 김에 저 이거 리찹이.
Echa, Lisa, Luca, אותך, אני לא המזדק אאוט, קל, סלאם, אתה דמה חול. הוא קורא גאופרו, קל זק אאוט, הוא אתה דמה חול.
He needs a little help from you.
אתה איזה ורצאות,
Okay. So guys, wow. So guys, tingnan nyo guys. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Ang ganda. Kita nyo yan?
Let's go.
Oh.
Oh, you do. It's so hard to do.
Stop recording. Hi. Uy, kasulip yung hulog. Grabe guys, tingnan nyo. Right po muna. Ayan. Oh, grabe oh. Yung snowfall. Oh. Ayun. Tingnan nyo guys. Wow.
Ano na yung boat park yung ngayon?
Ha?
Waterfall na no?
Di naman oh. It has to be half a roof.
Hi, Nito! Hi!
Tingnan nyo guys, may bridge sa taas. Oh my gosh. Ayan, ang ganda.
Oh, sabi pala.
Laban na po tayo mga team. Grabe. We're moving.
Let's go. Go, go.
What happened? Balik na? Ayun na yun?
Stop, 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 stop,
Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Stop.
Oh. Dong. Uy, nakabunta ako sa picture ang anong post. Look at this!
How's working on fast? How's working?
Bye-bye, guys!
Kaya po din yung sa likod mo.
Wait lang ha. Wait lang, last lang. Last selfie natin ba?
Okay.
Wanda Chanu, Amma Jay, Wanda, give Chanu. I want to do. Chanu, give. I want to do.
Isa pa. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Baby, no. Pistol.
No, baby, allowed to. No, baby, allowed. Hey, no. You're the baby.
Okay. Big baby.
Okay. So, tapos na kami mag-boat ride. Nangyari sa camera. Tapos ang camera, pe.
Ha?
Yeah, because it's... Tapos na kami mag-boat ride. It was a quick ride kasi sobrang lamig. Lakas ng snow. So it's like only 10 minutes, Meng? Maximum 10 minutes kasi malamig.
Videoin ang fountain falls doon.
Yeah. We're gonna do that. Sundan muna natin sila.
Tara, dito yung imon. Saan ka?
Yes. So now this is the view deck. View deck. Oh, look at that. It's a waterfall. Hang. Stop recording. Wow. So nice. Ganda. What can you say?
Wow, amazing.
So good. Ganda. Lalim ng waterfall.
Amazing.
Amazing. Amazing na masabi namin. Kasi it's really amazing. I'll picture siya. Yeah, please. Offer mo siya.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, it's okay. How about you and your boyfriend? You want some? Where is he? He's already there. Okay. Thank you. Ah. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at that. Dreaming that. Almost. Kasi mag-picture sila. Yeah, both of you. Thank you. Which this side? This side, yeah. Ayoko na.
the bushy well. It's full of football, like in Rome. What is it? Now it's full of snow.
Fully booked.
It's fully full of snow. Too many bushes. Okay. Say hola! Hola!
One, two, ready, go.
Thank you, Major Jordan. Luca. Thank you so much, guys. I will tell it to you.
Ayan, gusto mo ng snow, di ba? Ito na yun. Grabe. Ginusto mo to. Nakapagod yung hagdan. Aray. My God, it's so slippery. Dapat meron ka talagang warm boots. And waterproof shoes. Yun lang. Lamig na yun. Buti na lang may warmer. So tapos na yung tour namin dito sa Mart Valley Canyon. And sobrang saya. Sobrang saya na, nakakapagod yung snow. Di ba? What can you say?
Grabe guys, napagod ako sa kakaakyat, pero napakaganda guys, as in
Ano
ibang
yung-
experience siya, kasi usually sa mga vlogs walang snow yung experience nila. Ito, sobrang daming snow, makita mo talaga kung gaano
Heavy
ka
snowfall, no?
Yeah. It's one of a kind.
It's one of a kind. It's amazing. Incredible Georgia. So dapat ma-experience nyo rin to. Oh, they're playing. Which one is your target?
I think 120.
The antenna. Woo! Almost.
It's good.
Depression. It's depression.
What?
To be in the video. It's depression.
Yeah, you have to be good. You're on video.
You know, somebody's the good one, somebody's the worst one.
So which one are you? You're the good one?
Can you tell? I'm the worst one.
Hello everyone! So yun na nga, tapos na po kami. Wait, I'll just wait.
So
Yun.
sabi ng tour guide namin, it's the first time in 5 years na ganito ka-heavy snowfall dito. Usually sa Kutaisi, it will only last for a day
Yes,
and then mawawala na yung snow.
yes,
But this time, it's continuous for almost 3 days now.
yes. At saka yung last 2022, maliit lang yun, di ganito ka pala kabuhos. So, na-timing talaga yung pag-visit namin dito na heavy snowfall.
Basa na yun.
Oh, tira mo yung mga trees. Hindi mo alam po talagang di ba ang cute, parang mga dahon niya lang yung. At saka guys, effective tong heating pad for this situation. Yes. Yes, I just put it inside my gloves kasi importante yung kamay eh.
Basa na yung gloves niya.
Oh, basta yung gloves ko, kaya kailangan mayroon din ganito, heating
It will
pad.
last for 10 hours.
Yes,
The
then,
heating pad.
saan mo na-order to, Dodo?
Timo.
Thank you, Timo.
Everything is from Timo. This time I'm wearing Timo. My pants, my jacket is from Timo. Except for
OMG.
my boots. From
Guys,
Toulon.
close yung mga shops nila. Siguro marami nagtitinda dito ng mga isda, ng mga mga lapu-lapu. Ay, honey pala. Kidding aside. Amen. So yun na nga, on the way na kami dun sa sa van, and then pauwi sa Kutaisi City. So see you in Kutaisi.
So we arrived in Kutaisi from our tour. So we decided to eat sa McDonald's to try their fries if it's the same sa Dubai. Yeah, nice.
This is the same. No.
Mas parat din. Mas maalat.
Masarap.
Okay, sarap siya. Hello. So, ganito ang sitwasyon ngayon sa Kutaisi. Hindi pa rin tumitigil ang snow simula kanina, simula kagabi, simula kahapon. 3 days na. So, ang kapalan ng snow. Namang daan mo na. Aray.
Bilat.
Kapal na ng snow. Puting-puti na yung daan. First time in 5 years. Kagabi wala pa to, no? Hindi pa to ano eh. Ngayon almost half meter na. Yun lang.
Dalawa.
Si Uncle wala na. Natabunan na ng ano. A day in the life. Huh? A day in the life. Living in Kutaisi.
Adiin. First snowstorm today. May thunder.
It's like a blizzard here.
Oo, bigla na lang may umilaw dito.
So I asked the local guy here. He said it doesn't happen like this all the time. It only snows like one day and it's gone. But this time I saw lightning and thunder.
Thunder.
So right now we're here in Newport Hotel.
Where are we going?
We're going to eat maybe in Palati. We can go to Palati. Let's go. So
Ay, dito. Guys, hindi na to masaya kasi bagyo na pala tong nadaanan namin ngayon. Bagyo na po, may thunder na po. Hindi na po to like snowfall kundi snowstorm.
okay, pag sa palaran sa snow. Kala mo madali. Hindi madali.
Yung driving namin, pala, bagyo.
Naiwan pa yung payong namin sa Dubai. In order para
After
dito.
tomorrow pa kayo.
Hindi masaya. Bango ng shawarma. Smells like shawarma. Thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Where? This side? Yeah. Time check, it's 9 o'clock in the evening. It's already dark. Ayun na. Binagyo na kami. Patay yung camera. Puno na ng snow. Hoy, I cannot see.
Hindi na po masaya to. Binagyo na po kami dito.
Lakas ng hangin. Lakas ng snow, lakas ng hangin. Oh, look at that. So nag-change ulit ako ng puff jacket kasi yung kanina basang-basa na. Sobrang, tapos mas makapal to, it's better. Oh, what happened to you? Ha? Stop recording. Live update for today's video. Sobrang lakas ng snow. Ito na yung pinakamatinding snow sa Kutaisi. Parang araw-araw patindi ng patindi yung snow, no?
Para tayo nasa weather forecast ito.
Yan na, yan na. Oh, hulog na naman. Yan, gusto mo mag-snow. Sige pa. Kaya mga ko ng Colchis Fountain. Hindi na makita.
Kailangan natin ng payong doon.
Unfortunately, we don't have umbrella.
Pero pag payong naman na, malilipad naman tayo.
Kasi malakas din ang hangin eh. So ganon din. Basa na yung mukha ko. Dahil pala yung isa yung sinuot ko na.
Ha?
Yung waterproof pala naman ito. Oh grabe oh. Yung building oh. Oh.
Zero visibility na rin yun, oh. Foggy na foggy, there's no...
Wala nang madaanan yung mga sasakyan. How are they going to do that?
May dumaan kanina pero parang hindi kaya yung ano. Yung kapal ng snow.
Yeah.
Saan tayo? Palati? Saan ba banda yun?
Palati near White Bridge. Ano? Pati yung camera wala na. Sumuko na rin ang camera.
Hindi talaga kami nag-bolt.
Paano ka magbubolt eh?
Lakad talaga namin.
Wala rin namang mga sasakyan, no? Yan, matindi. Matindi yung pinagdaanan namin dito sa Kutaisi.
Ngayon na-experience din namin yung bagyo. Snowstorm.
So yung mga na-deny entry, so paano sabi ko na entry? Hindi tayo na-deny entry. Ito naman ang natin experience. Okay, yun lang muna. Doon na lang ako mag-vlog ulit sa kung sa may restaurant na kasi matindi na talaga. Lamig na. Sipon ang labas ito. So yun na nga. After 5 minutes of walking, nakarating na kami dito sa Palazzi Restaurant. May nagpapiano sa loob. We're gonna try their food kasi nakita namin sa mga vlogs dito sila kumakain eh. Pero konti lang order lang. Okay. So dito sa Palagi, may mga posted sila ng mga visitors.
You want to write something?
Yeah. And they posted it in
They have
notes. Napakaganda. Ano nangyari sa buhok ko? Ganda lang magkatingnan ng ganyan. Enjoying the music. Someone hates poutine.
I know Putin.
Cheers to that. This is a local beer.
Yes.
It's cold. I cannot drink it.
Icy.
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 Icy. Our first entry here in Palazzi Restaurant.
Guys, yung mushroom nila parang giniling muna siya. Parang chocolate. Let me check. May I? Mushroom na mushroom. Mushroom.
Parang full vlogger tayo dito sa ano, no? Sa Georgia.
Ang
Sa
sarap.
tayo sa Georgia. Food vlogger yan.
Legit siya na soup.
Tapos, ito yung bread nila. And this is the pork with cream soup and mushroom. And the spaghetti carbonara. Walang an order namin. Huwag tako tigin. Diba?
Kamu
Okay.
ko sa
Hindi man.
picture ka selfie ka tapos pa-picture natin niya. Guys, cheesy na cheesy talaga yung mushroom na hinalo nila sa pork. So we'll taste the pork. With mushroom and cheese.
Food vlogger yan.
Dami.
Sarap, no? Worth it.
Malambot yung pork.
Medyo may price nga lang. Pero masarap. Masarap
Masarap
talaga
pa
siya.
ng mushroom at saka itong cheese. Perfect pa na. Ano lang kabayara?
Tikman mo yung carbonara. Spaghetti carbonara nila. Food vlogger si Madam Saming. Haba ng tinidor nila, no? Abot mo talaga eh.
Mataas yung ano.
Mahaba, no?
Mahaba. Iba yung pagcarbonara din nila sa carbonara natin. May unique din sila na taste. Masarap. Yeah.
Yan na yan.
So yes.
Okay, kain na tayo. Kain na ako. Alright, bye.
Din.
So, tapos na kami kumain dito sa Palati. Anong masasabi mo sa pagkain nila?
Masarap, be. I mean, example yung carbonara, makikita mo talaga, may iba silang ibang recipe. Siguro dahil sa cheese nila,
Tsaka maraming ham.
ang daming ham. At saka yung cheese nila, iba talaga, masarap talaga yung cheese nila. Hindi mo lang, ewan ko, parang iba. Parang Jordan na cheese.
Masarap,
For me,
masarap yung cheese.
oo.
Tapos yung pork din na may cream and mushroom. Sarap ng pagkaluto ng baboy malambot.
Malambot. At saka yung mushroom, may halong cheese din. Kaya,
Puro
pinartner mo
cheesy
sa
sa
pork.
bread, tapos
oo.
with bread.
And then pork, creamy.
So, worth it bang price? Yes.
So yes.
It's
At
worth
saka
the price.
dito lang namin na-discover na may mas masarap para sa mga beer na ninom namin ng isang araw pa.
Ubus mo na yun sa'yo.
Ito,
Kinuha mo na yun sa akin. No?
Hindi siya matamis, hindi siya mapait. Sakto lang siya. And then parang malakas din. Medyo na
Anong
na
hina mo
ka
yun?
na. Ha?
Hindi na ng boses yun. Alam mo naman wala tayong microphone eh. Kasi
Ay,
hindi pwede
oo
ng
nga.
microphone.
At saka perfect siya sa weather. Weather tonight. If you can see, grabe talaga ang snowstorm.
By the way, hindi nga pala kami nag-ano ng microphone kasi yung camera namin.
May microphone na, kaso ako lang yung hindi nasanay kasi usually may
Hindi, tsaka snow, baka mabasa. Wala
Ako
kasi
din,
akong-
di nasanay kasi usually kapag microphone kami, kahit mahina yung boses ko, maririnig. Ngayon parang nakalimutan ko palagi na, oh my God, I don't have my microphone.
Kasi hindi na pwede kasi snow eh. Ang hirap pag may microphone.
Yes.
Bagay lang to sa microphone sa mga ano. Pero worth it na kumain dito sa Palati kung pupunta kayo ng Tataisi.
Magkita nyo rin yung mga memories ng mga
Hanapin mo
dito.
yung picture mo.
Grabe. At saka guys, mapapifeel mo talaga ang daming memories. Hindi lang sa may-ari, kundi yung mga taong nag-visit dito. Kasi,
Tingnan niyo, yung place.
nag-ano sila ng mga marka. Lang remember.
Nag-iwan ng mga
Iwan ng mga
marka.
memories. Marka.
Ang iba like for this one, a Filipino lady came here. April 2023 from Philippines, from Tet. Lilia and
Shout
Lisa. I love Georgia. Yun, shout out.
Shout out.
Yun lang.
Shout out.
Thank you, bye-bye, good night. So, we're about to go and he gave us this Georgian, what's this? Georgian?
Cha-cha.
Cha-cha. And it's alcohol.
Georgia water.
So we have to try it.
Oh yeah, it's jokes.
Yeah.
Wow, that's clear.
Very good.
So happy.
Yeah, I thought.
It's like tequila.
I feel it!
Madloba.
Magloba! It's nice.
So nice.
I will not feel cold outside now.
So, nandito kami ngayon sa White Bridge. And it's literally white because of the snow.
Wala na yung last floor.
Oh. Time check. What time is it now? It's already... What time is it? 10:31 in the evening. And it's literally white. Tingnan mo yung river. Puting-puti. White bridge. Yes, it's really white bridge. And they're playing in the snow. Ano? Ano na? It's literally white and it's cold. Oh, may aso. Kahit saan may aso eh. Gusto niya maglaro sa'yo sa snow.
Nasaan yung mga friends mo?
Tama na.
Malamig?
Malamig na.
Malamig? Mas naman sa dito?
Ha? Ming, malamig. Ming.
Hindi pala siya pwede mag-naman.
It's fresh, no? Mahirap siya magano. Dito tayo. Oh, tingnan mo yung snow. The snow is going up. Ming, halika. The snow is like because of the current, maybe. Pag-picture pa, Ming. Wala yung mga sasakyan, wala na. Puro na yellow. Ang hirap nag-drive dito. Buti na lang di kami nag-rent ng car. Or else it will be a problem. Totoong may carrots yan, ha?
Legit. Legit Olaf. Kasi carrots.
Dahil sobrang kapal ng snow, kailangan ng i-bulldoze ng bulldozer.
Kasi po ang pagdokumentaro ng isang mamamayan dito sa Georgia, kung saan po ay sila ay gumagawa ng proyekto para ma-avoid po ang aksidente sa sitwasyong ito.
Wow. Aray. Woo! Ginusto mo to.